And then it was time for grabbing breakfast for some famous eateries. First we went to Lakshmi Chai Wala. We had Malai toast, Caesarean toast and chai there. आप यहाँ पे एक बार चाय पियोगे तो ज़िंदगी भर याद रखोगे. The taste is so different that it will last forever. Malai toast का तो बात ही कुछ अलग है. They first toast the bread and then they put malai over it. The delicious would be an understatement. Caesarean को यहाँ लोकली कम्बल ओढ़ा के टोस्ट भी कहा जाता है. इसका प्रिपरेशन बहुत ही अनोखा है. यहाँ पे ब्रेड को बीच से काट के उसके अंदर बटर डाल के टोस्ट किया जाता है. तो आपको ऊपर से ये लगेगा कि प्लेन टोस्ट है, पर इफ़ यू टेक अ बाइट यू विल फील द बटर इनसाइड इट.
So we are going towards Ram Bhandar now to try their famous kachori and jalebi.
Ram Bhandar is around 10 minutes walk from Lakshmi Chai Wala. There is a small lane opposite to Lakshmi Chai Wala, a typical Banaras ki galiya that takes you to Ram Bhandar. The best part of this lane is you get the flavor of banaras there. Ram Bhandar is famous for its kachori and chhoti kachori. So the breakfast here is a must. It opens pretty early in the morning, so आप जितना जल्दी वहाँ पे जाओगे उतना ही बेहतर है. We had kachori, chhoti kachori and jalebi there. Each and every dish was so delicious that it will speak for itself. That's why Ram Bhandar is so popular. After grabbing some leg-smacking breakfast at Ram Bhandar, we went to visit Sriji Sweets to try the famous dessert Malaiyo. It is a winter delicacy. It is found in Varanasi only during winter, especially between November to February. It is a special cream that is prepared from dewdrops. It is so unique in taste that our words are never enough to express it. So yes, if you are planning to visit Varanasi, I would suggest you to visit in winter only just to try this dessert.
After the Ganga Aarti, we went to Gadolia Chowk. We had a couple of dishes from Kashi Chaat Bhandar. Honestly, didn't feel something extraordinary, but that just be me because it's quite a famous place and no place gets famous just like that. Beside Kashi Chaat Bhandar, there is Kuber Paan shop, which is famous for its Banarasi Paan. And if you're planning to buy Paan Masala, for which Banaras is quite famous of, you can buy it from a Bengali shop named Bishud Jorda. So if you are going from Dashashwamedh Ghat towards Gadolia Chowk, on the right hand side there is a gate for Kashi Vishwanath temple, and on the opposite footpath there is this shop named Bishud Jorda. Also, if you are trying for Bhang Lassi for the first time in Banaras, there are a couple of shops at Gadolia Chowk. You can try it there. But please make sure if you are trying it for the first time, if you are having Bhang for the first time, please do not have it alone. Have someone with you. And also make sure you started with a lighter note. There are 3 types, I guess: light, medium, strong. So start with the light one. And also what people generally make mistake is they sip a glass and they think nothing is happening to them. So they sip 2-3 more. And that is where the problem arises, because Bhang is something that doesn't affect you immediately. It takes time, might be half an hour, 1 hour, and it might be in 10 minutes also. So it doesn't affect you immediately. It's not like you will have a glass and suddenly you will start hallucinating or something like that. So people make mistake that they think nothing is happening to me, so they have more, and that is when it start affecting, you get blown out of your proportion. So never do it. So be careful. But yes, Bhang Lassi is one of the speciality of Banaras. It's one of the speciality of the place. So obviously you should try it. You can try it if you want, but please be careful. So that's it for the Banaras. In the next episode, we'll be traveling to Lucknow. So that's a different series coming up named Adab Lucknow. It will be coming up soon. So please stay tuned to our channel. And also, if you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Alvida, Khuda Hafiz. Take care.